Welcome to Elite Motorhomes, the ultimate destination where we showcase the most luxurious, innovative, and breathtaking motorhomes from around the world. Today, I'm thrilled to present to you an extraordinary masterpiece, the ultra-luxury GMC 2-deck motorhome, a perfect combination of elegance, power, and freedom. In this video, we will explore every detail, from its commanding exterior to the intricate interiors, state-of-the-art technology, and unmatched comfort. Whether you're seeking adventure or tranquility, this motorhome promises an experience like no other. As the video begins, the studio lights gradually pierce through the darkness, revealing the GMC's bold silhouette. Its glossy, aerodynamic lines glimmer under the soft light, reflections dancing across the polished floor. Fog rolls across the tires, adding a cinematic drama that perfectly matches the luxury and sophistication of this vehicle. The low-angle front shot emphasizes the powerful grille, glowing LED headlights, and the aggressive, commanding presence that ensures you arrive in style wherever you go. Sunlight spills over the body in the desert, highlighting the elegance of every panel and curve. The motorhome sits like a sculpture amid golden sands, with long shadows emphasizing its size and luxury. A drone soars above the mountain peaks, capturing cinematic aerial footage that shows the GMC perched above clouds, an unmistakable symbol of adventure and freedom. Every exterior detail, from the chrome grille to the side mirrors, polished alloy wheels, and underbody mechanics, exudes precision engineering and unmatched craftsmanship. Step closer, and the true marvel begins. The lower deck welcomes you into a living space that rivals a high-end penthouse. The master bedroom boasts premium bedding, subtle ambient lighting, and storage designed for elegance and convenience. Moving forward, the kitchen features marble countertops, a built-in luxury refrigerator, a modern oven, and a polished chrome faucet, all seamlessly integrated to provide a chef-grade experience on the road. The sofa area invites relaxation, with a luxurious dining table nearby for intimate meals or social gatherings. Every corner, from hidden storage compartments to the neatly organized fire extinguisher and medical kit, demonstrates meticulous attention to detail. The washroom and glass-enclosed shower offer a spa-like experience, while ceiling LED lighting shifts mood and ambience throughout the day. Ascending to the upper deck, the experience transforms into a private retreat above the main living space. Another washroom ensures convenience, while the panoramic seating area provides uninterrupted views of mountains, city skylines, or coastline horizons. Ambient lighting creates a serene, inviting atmosphere, perfect for reading, working, or simply unwinding. The upper deck perfectly balances privacy and openness, giving you a sense of elevation both literally and figuratively. Every detail has been thoughtfully designed. The steering wheel leather stitching feels refined, while the digital dashboards come alive with cinematic animations. Gear selectors, infotainment systems, panoramic windshields, and touchscreen navigation all merge functionality with luxury. Start the engine, and the GMC awakens, its power and precision a reminder that this is not just a motorhome, it's a performance machine engineered for supreme comfort and control. On the open road, the GMC proves its versatility. Smooth highways, winding mountain passes, snowy roads, and coastal drives reveal a vehicle that balances strength and grace. Rain-slicked streets reflect city lights on the polished exterior, creating cinematic visuals that echo sophistication. Desert drives, forest trails, and remote locations highlight the vehicle's adaptability, making every journey an extraordinary adventure. Solar panels quietly gather energy, the automatic leveling system ensures stability, and slide-out cabins extend living space with ease, blending technology with comfort. Beyond functionality, this motorhome is a lifestyle statement. Time-lapse sequences capture sunrises and starry nights over your parked GMC. Bonfires beside the motorhome set a cozy, cinematic scene for evening relaxation. Raindrops sliding across windshields, reflections of mountains on glossy panels, and the gentle hum of ambient interior music elevate every moment. Every touchpoint, doors closing with a slow-motion elegance, side mirrors folding automatically, headlights transitioning smoothly, is designed to impress. Engineers and designers have spared no effort. A cinematic bonnet lift reveals the meticulously maintained engine bay, a harmonious blend of power and precision. Exhausts gleam, suspension systems shine, and mechanical components demonstrate excellence at every angle. From tires to LED lighting and chrome finishes, every detail reflects a commitment to ultimate luxury. Owning this GMC motorhome is investing in a lifestyle of adventure, comfort, and prestige. With a price of $1,700,000, it is more than a vehicle, it is a sanctuary on wheels, a mobile retreat, and an emblem of freedom that allows you to travel without compromise. Whether it's the meticulous interiors, commanding exterior, or premium features across both decks, this motorhome elevates every journey to an unparalleled experience. As we conclude this cinematic journey, the GMC rests against stunning backdrops, a serene beach, towering mountains, or city skylines at night. Its lights dim softly, fog rolls gently around its body, and it stands as a beacon of freedom, elegance, and innovation. Thank you for joining me on this exclusive tour of the GMC 2-deck luxury motorhome. I hope you enjoyed every detail and felt the true essence of premium mobility. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to Elite Motorhomes, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for more breathtaking motorhome showcases from around the world. Adventure, luxury, and freedom await. See you in the next video.